Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video today I'm going to make something very simple and super delicious. We are making khao pad goong, which is Thai fried rice with shrimp. This is one of the lunch item in Thailand and this is one of my favorite and most popular variations. So I'm going to use about small shrimp for this recipe. So if you are using shrimp too, the first step is to peel off the head and most of outer shell, leaving only the tail on. That is the way you will find this in Thailand. And then remove the back line of the shrimp. And this recipe you can change to chicken, pork, or the meat, or any kind of any green vegetable or mix of vegetable will work too. And this is all ingredients. For this fried rice recipe, I'm going to be using shrimp, garlic, an egg, carrot, cilantro, and the sauce that we use only soy sauce and light soy sauce and also a bit of sugar. And finally they all right, but you can really substitute these ingredients for whatever you like. I got the all ingredients now and ready to go, but I just want to say that in order to make this good recipe, you need to use rice that has actually the old rice work very well. But if you take it out of the rice cooker, just make sure it's cool down, and even if it's rest of couple hours, that is good idea and it will make for better rice. And all ingredients here and ready to go to heat up my pan, but I just want to mix the sauce into the rice first. By we add soy sauce half tablespoon and seasoning sauce is 1 tablespoon and sugar 1 teaspoon. To the last pan or wok, add the oil, shrimp and cook over medium heat for about 3 minutes. Flipping halfway through. Cooking time will vary based on size of shrimp. Don't overcook. And now it's ready. Remove the shrimp. And then add the garlic on the pan with the same vegetable oil that we cook the shrimp. Add the 2 eggs into the pan and then stir fry the egg. Just stir until it's settled but not all is cooked. When the egg is settled like this, and then add the rice that we prepared before with the sauce. And continue to stir fry egg and rice together. This method will help the egg is look good with the rice. And also the reason why I put the shrimp before and cook them first, because if we continue to cook with the rice and egg, and that will make shrimp is overcooked. Then we remove shrimp first and then fry rice, and after everything is done and put the shrimp after. And then add the vegetable that you prefer. For today I use a carrot. But you can use any kind of any green vegetable or mix of vegetable will work for this too. And then add shrimp and cilantro and fry it together. And now the fried rice is ready, and it's ready. Remove it from the heat and this into your plate. And when you order in Thailand, your plate will normally come with the extra lime and also cucumber. So it's ready for fried rice with shrimp. This is the original from Thailand. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. If you like my recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook channel. And see you next time.